Hello everyone, this is Yihao Wang. So today's presentation is about the planet ocean health. So first, a little bit background. So why is so important about the global ocean health? And it's not only because the ocean providing our human beings foods for like fish, lobster, shrimp, crab, but also ocean is one of the most important part of the global water cycle, which is basically the process about how the dirty water become clean and can be used by us for drinking, for farming. And because we have really lack of time today, so I pick one key concept from the dataset, which is artisanal fisheries. And speaking of these artisanal fisheries, sorry about that. Uh, it's not like the commercial fisheries where the captain driving a really big fishing boat. It's more like a small scale fishing activities, just like the picture here. And I like to point out here is that the half of the world's fishing harvest is captured by artisanal fishing families, and this sort of small scale fishing activities providing food, nutrition, and livelihood opportunities for many people around the world, especially for those developing communities and countries. And now we are going to do a really quick literature review here. So there's always common theme about the current articles is the challenges in the artisanal fishing opportunities, which including the following for like the resource depletion, the government is lacking of management, and for those people living in the different region, uh, over the world don't really have a really equal opportunities. And only a few articles talk about impact about the local communities, which is more like the cultural perspective. And I like to show you guys about this really, really interesting website. So we are going to the Ocean Health Index website. So here they're providing us a really, really visible and interesting solution to like show this whole data set. So we can just pick one country. Let's just pick, China, shall we? So here we can see, last year, uh, China's China's global score was 65, and the global average was 73, and it's ranking 186, so which is not a really good position. And then we keep going here, we can see more detailed score. We have like the food provision, we have the natural products, we have the carbon storage. And down below here, we have a bar here that we can go to 2022, 2020, we can go to the 1 decade ago. So here we can see the trend is keep going, but just really slow. Yeah. And the reason I want to show this website is that I realized that this website is already, showing us a really straight, a really, really mature program that can use this data set. So I was thinking that do we have a really unique or special angle that we can use the data set? Well, actually, I do find one. So that is, how can the participation of women and vulnerable groups in the artisanal fisheries be promoted? Because we all know that the artisanal fisheries are very important income source for those women and vulnerable groups in many coastal communities. And by analyzing this data set, it is a really high possibility that we can identify the area that have really low gender equality and social inclusion. And next step, uh, we can just design the intervention to promote this equitable participation of these groups in those small scale fishings. And that's all about today. Thank you for watching.